Hello, today you're going to learn how to look into your child's Aeries account so you can see their grades. Make sure you have their school email as well as their password. Now go to Google and type eportal.sausd.us. Now enter your child's email address. It is the ID at sausdlearns.net. Don't forget to click Next. Now enter your child's password. It is usually their birthday, but sometimes they change it. Please look at the examples so you can be clear about the password. This is a dashboard and you can take a quick look at their grades. The red numbers mean missing assignments. Also, on the blue grid on the left, you can click on any category so you can look at more information about your student. If you click on grades and gradebook summary, this is what you will see. The M means that the student never turned in an assignment but got an F. The red box means they never turned it in and they have 0 points.